In this video, I'm going to teach you guys 4 things that can cause demonetization on Facebook, right? So it's important that you watch this video from beginning to the end. You're welcome to Grow Better. This channel will teach people how to grow the social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azimida and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video, right? So due to because of demonetization going on right now, a lot of people are losing their monetization, right? And it's getting out of hand. Because of this, I decided to make this video, in case if this is the reason why they demonetize you. When you watch this video, you take correction. And also for the people that their page are not yet to be demonetized, after watching this video, you now take note of what I'm going to be sharing in this video, right? So one of the reasons why your page can get demonetized is migration, right? What I actually mean is, for instance, you are in eligible country and you got a call or meeting call or emergency call to go to a country that is not eligible. So immediately you get to the country that is not eligible, right? Some people, after a few days, Facebook is going to demonetize you. To some people, within 24 hours, Facebook can demonetize your account. But if this is your case, you don't need to worry, because once you get back to the eligible country, they are going to monetize you back. Even if they don't monetize you back, all you need to do is to contact Facebook and complain, and they will get your monetization back, right? So another thing that can actually cause demonetization is violation, right? I know in this case it's not all kind of violation, but there are some kind of violation that can cause demonetization, instant demonetization. Some violation like nudity and flagged content, also abuse can cause demonetization, most especially child abuse, and also hate speech. Facebook don't play with hate speech. So it's important that if you are monetized, you should always stay away from all these things, right? Do not post nudes and also do not use hate speech, right? If you're posting a video and you want to add something like pim pim, you understand, you are not supposed to write it in full. You are supposed to just use like star to demarcate. I've said it in my previous video. So it's important that you actually take note of all this. Violation can cause demonetization. So the third thing that can actually cause demonetization is unoriginality of content. A lot of you guys actually post people's video, we call it a reaction video, and some people don't actually know how to do it right, right? So that's why it's important that you need to learn how to do it right, because if you don't do it right, Facebook is going to demonetize you, because you're going to be getting a lot of copyright, and once you keep on getting those copyright, it will lead to demonetization. So I made a course on how to edit reaction video the right way. In case if you don't know how to edit reaction video, all you need to do is to contact me with the WhatsApp number showing on the screen, and I will tell you what to do to get this course, right? And most especially, people who actually get this demonetization mainly are the people who, when they put their face on people's video, they don't even talk at all. In my video, I always emphasize on you talking, because when you are talking, you're adding value to those videos. But a lot of people, they do argue. They say they cannot talk, they cannot show their face. Understand? So if you know you cannot add value to those videos, just know that you are going to face demonetization. It might be going smoothly for you for now, but if there is a time it will reach, they can hit you strike, and immediately your page will be demonetized. So you should be cautious of it and learn how to edit reaction video the right way. So finally, number 4 thing that can actually cause demonetization is when you are using people's music, right? I've said this several times that you shouldn't use people's music. The only way you can use like Davido, Ashake, or Whiskey, the only way you can use their music is when you are posting reels. Then you just go to that place, they say add music, then add it. So but in your video, maybe you are posting a longer video, all right? Do not add those music in, don't attack those music in your videos, because you might get copyright, and once you keep on getting those copyrights, it might lead to demonetization. Facebook actually they provided thousands of music you can use for your content, right? And I've made a video on how you can actually download those music. You just need to go to Meta Business Suite, go to All Tools. When you go to All Tools, you are going to see Sound Collection. That sound collection consists of thousands of music you can use in your videos. So instead of going to use the video's music that can lead you to violation or demonetization, why not go there, get music, review those music to find a good music that will suit your video and put it in your video, right? So if you take note of these things that are listed in this video, you will see that you will just be safe, right? And for the people using people's video, make sure that you edit your reaction video very well. Make sure that you add value to it very well. It's very, very important, because most of the people that are getting demonetized mainly are because of this, So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to end. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you all. And if this is your first time in this channel, I'll urge you to subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them, right? And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, can I actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.